Spot, your 3 favorite tokens for 2018.
My 3 favorite tokens for
3
2018.
favorite projects for 2018.
I'm putting it on the spot. I love Hashgraph. I love EOS. Those are 2 competing tokens for 2018.
Neither of which necessarily need to exist for their chains.
Let's not get into it. Gentlemen, one last question. Institutional money. Everyone's talking about the institutional money coming into crypto in 2018. What do we need to get the institutional money very quickly?
Security tokens, securitization of assets on the blockchain, moving away from all these utility tokens with no value, no purpose, into security tokens that actually provide a real world value.
Jeremy.
Custodianship. If you have over $150 million under management, according to the SEC, you have to have a licensed custodian. There's not a licensed custodian that actually exists. So we got to figure that out really fast if we want real money coming to this space. But there are multiple custodian companies that are figuring out this problem.
Great. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Our next guest says that we don't need regulation, and we certainly don't even want the institutions into trading, so stay tuned.
So there's a lot of hype with EOS, and I fortunately was able to get into EOS, and I have to thank YouTube. I was following other YouTubers and got recommendations back in 2017, so I did pick up some EOS. I did go with a balanced portfolio though, and let's just go through the currency list kind of. So I pretty much own, if you want to go 1 through 15, I own almost all of these coins, and like I said, which one is going to be the best? In reality, I don't worry about it, and if you want to look at some of these numbers here, you can never go wrong with just the boring portfolio. In fact, let me move it up. So if you're going to be looking at it, I'll zoom in so you guys can get a better view. So you really can't go wrong with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I call them the Coinbase coins. But I definitely feel like it's important. Oh, it looks like I moved down. Here we go. This is better for you guys. But it's really important. Like I said, I feel like you would miss out, and it would be foolish not to own a little bit of all of the top 10, especially if you have a pretty large portfolio. And when I'm saying large, you have more than $5,000 invested in crypto. If you have less than 5,000, then once again, you can go for smaller coins, but my strategy for 2018 would be stick to just the top 10, and I wouldn't own more than 40%, so maybe 40% Bitcoin, and then kind of just sprinkle it around the other coins. And like I said, if you're not good with technology, it might be better to just stick with Coinbase or Robinhood. But if you're on this channel, I feel like you'll be able to teach yourself and figure it out, and that's why I would highly recommend getting a Bittrex account. I don't have the link for Bittrex, but I do also have Binance, and Binance is not US regulated because there are some issues with US regulations. And then also KuCoin is another link I have. But long term, like I said, you got to be careful. There's a lot of YouTubers pumping and dumping coins, and most of them are going to be not in the top 20, not even in the top 50. And like I said, just start to educate yourself. I would stay in, a lot of people say it's conservative, but like I said, with crypto, you're still going to get like ridiculous returns compared to the stock market. I mean, if you bought Bitcoin at 6,000, I mean, you've already gone up 50%, and this was like in less than a month. So you can go with those smaller coins, but there's a lot of action with the big coins, and once you educate yourself, you understand what you're doing, then I would venture out. But let me know what your thoughts are. I am very, very bullish with all 10, and I kind of regret. So I will personally state that I fire sold my IOTA because of news of hacks and stuff like this, and it was really stupid. I should have held my IOTA. So my strategy is buy, hold for over a year minimum, and then if you want to sell, go for it. But I do see the crypto market going up significantly. And don't get greedy. Like I said, I would definitely take some profits, especially once we surpass the 1 trillion market cap. I'll probably be taking some profits off, and be careful. I mean, there obviously can be crashes, and This is not for the faint of heart, but let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon.